thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the adult dot box, and this is what the package looks like this month. If you do not know what Boxx is, it is a period subscription. They offer multiple different subscription plans depending on your age and your cycle. So it's a period box, but you also get lifestyle options. And like I said, we're opening up the adult box, but they have like a teenager box, and they also offer even options without the period products inside. So this box has been great. I will leave all of the information down below. I'll leave the link along with pricing, and I will also leave a code. So it's not affiliated code or anything like that, but I do have a code to save you 20% on any of their subscription plans if you are interested. So yeah, I think that's everything. I just want to remind you also that I have some giveaways going on our channel. I always link those down below in the description box as well. So yeah, let's get this open and see what we got for February. When you sign up for the Boxx, you do fill out like a survey, so the box is customized, which is great. You even let them know like what type of period essentials you like to have. So when I open it up, well, I see a card and I see some treats right on top. So the box is a little bit smaller than it has been, but that doesn't mean what's inside won't be as good. So it says squad goals. I guess that is the theme this month. It says, what's Galentine's Day, you ask? Galentine's Day is a celebration of female friendship. Our dot squad is a group of pretty cool women. Some are funny, some are quirky, some are stay-at-home moms, teachers, wives, girl bosses, all are beautiful. We share our pits and our peaks. We seek prayer when the bottom falls out. We seek advice and never belittling or judgmental. Thanks for being a part of our dot squad and making us push to be better every month. You are the bomb.com. Oh, I love reading stuff like that. That's so nice. And on the back, it lists the items inside. So the February 2020 theme is Be My Galentine. I love that. So underneath the card, still all you could see are some candies. So they always do include treats, but looks like we have some mini Kit Kats, yum, and some little kisses. Oh, cute. I don't think I've ever seen the Hershey Kisses with like little hearts on them before. That's adorable. And little Dove chocolates as well are in here. Oh my gosh, and I see another amazing chocolate item. It says, don't be basic, milk chocolate caramel toffee sea salt bar. Oh my god, this is by Chocolate Cliché. That sounds right up my alley. This is my kind of treat. Yum. Next I see this bag. It has a cute heart on it that is taped closed. So I have no idea what's inside. Let's take a look. Oh, there's several items in here. I can kind of see. Alright, so there are 3 items in here, it looks like. So the first is Fruit Infusion Moisture Miracle. So it looks like this is a facial moisturizer that is by Parlo, cruelty-free cosmetics. And it says, powered by fruit infusions, drench your skin in powerful fruit extracts formulated to help your skin naturally defend against harmful free radicals. This is packed with vitamin C and it's potent antioxidants to promote skin renewal. Nice. And this is 2 ounces, so this is definitely a full-size item. I'm probably not going to read all the things it says on here unless it seems relevant. Yeah, pretty much says the description that I just read you. So it says that the moisturizer is gentle enough even for sensitive skin, so that is great. And it can fight off signs of aging, free radicals, hyperpigmentation, and sunspots. The next thing, it's like a powder. Is this bath salts or something? This is by Dirtbag Beauty. 100% natural, no fillers, no toxins, and vegan. It is called Renew. Oh, so I think this is like a facial exfoliator. It says smooths and rejuvenates, evens out skin tone, gentle exfoliating facial cleanser. So what you're supposed to do is wet your face, empty the contents into your palm, wet your opposite palm, and rub hands together to activate the powder. So I wonder if this is a one-time use. I don't think so. There's kind of a decent amount of powder in there. Can you guys see? And I guess just tear it here. But cool. I like to use a physical exfoliant on my face like at least twice a week. So I will definitely give that a shot. And then we have a sheet mask by Masquerade. I've tried their sheet mask before. They are good. So it says this is for all skin types, and it's called I Don't Want to Grow Up. It is supposed to firm and soften lines. It has chamomile, collagen, and argan oils. This is a hydrating sheet mask. Ooh, next I see something in here that's like pink and glittery. Look at, I'm guessing this is like a shower gel. I got excited about the pink glitter a little too quick. Yeah, body wash. So it says the Every Girl Project is the brand, and this is called Self Love Body Wash. So Self Love is as sweet as juicy ripe strawberries and refreshing as organic mint and basil, with a hint of sparkle because it's magical. And then it actually lists the ingredients right there, and it looks like it is made with just a few ingredients. It is made with mica, which I'm trying to avoid these days, but it says it's cruelty-free, vegan, USD, organic, and non-GMO. Just because mica is like the glitter component, and glitter takes a while to degrade, but maybe since there are like all these organic, non-GMO and all that, there are synthetic micas out there that do degrade fine, so just want to point that out. But let's see what it smells like. There is a safety seal. Let's see if I can smell it without opening it. Oh, it does smell good. So this was handmade with fair trade ingredients. So, okay, I'm sure since it's fair trade ingredients, that makes me feel better about the mica. And a custom fragrance oil blend of strawberries, cool basil, and fresh mint. Yeah, definitely got the strawberry scent. So awesome. Oh, we have something else by this brand. It looks like this is a moisturizer. It says, love your berry much, shea butter lotion. It's made with raspberries, strawberries, and whipped cream, drizzled with self-worth and added tax. I think the names of these and like these brands are just like perfect for the Galentine's theme. Self-love and love you very much. Oh, we have something else wrapped up cutely with a heart. Do you guys have any Valentine's Day plans? I just realized it's like coming up on Friday. I'm not in a relationship or anything like that, so I don't. So I like this Galentine's Day thing. Oh my god, this is so funny. I'm pretty much wearing a similar necklace. So it says self-love is the best love. So they sent out a necklace that is customized with K for Kitty, but this one has a heart on it. I actually just bought this one through Boxx. It just says a simple K. That's so cute though. I honestly like this kind of style. So, I don't know, do you think I need both? This one's really cute. I love how it has a heart as well, but maybe I'll have to gift this to one of my K-name subscribers. If you're out there, let me know. Where is it? So, the initial heart necklace. It says, wear your heart around your neck and admire the babe in the mirror. You're beautiful, you're strong, you're perfectly flawed, and apologetically awesome, and that's why we adore you. This perfectly imperfect handmade gem is a cute keepsake for yourself or package for gifting to someone you love. So cute, I love stuff like that. And that makes it feel really special, this box. Like they really did take the time to customize it and make sure we got the right letter and all of that. Ooh, what's this? Earth Angel Earthly Relaxation Mist. It says spray 7 to 10 mists in the shower. Oh, cool. Okay, spray 7 to 10 mists into shower steam for an aromatherapy experience. Or you can spray 1 to 3 mists into your hand and inhale. Or spray on your body, your hair, your linen. It's all good because it's all natural. So this is only made with distilled water, witch hazel, and organic essential oil blend. So I'm not sure exactly what essential oils, but I'm guessing since it says relaxation, there's some lavender in there. So let's spray a little. I got like right up in my nose, but they said to inhale it. It smells good. It's not too like lavender-like. I have some lavender spray, so that's, I'm glad. Like, let's see if it says this mood mist is perfect for a date night out with your honey, a chill evening at home, or hanging solo with your dog in a glass of wine. Spray 2 to 3 mists into the palm of your hands and inhale, or you can, like it said, in the shower. So it doesn't say that what like the fragrance notes are, but it smells like really like fresh, like kind of reminds me of like clean laundry, but like a little bit more fragrant. So I think that's a good thing. Okay, I'm seeing more little candies in here. Oh, a lot of little candies in here. And then the last like actual thing in the bag is my Period Essentials bag. So I customized mine to have organic tampons because that is what I prefer to use. And there's also some like panty liners in here, some individual Advil packets, which seriously have come in handy for me. And then they also have like a little heating pad, so you can, when you have menstrual cramps, you can apply that. So I've definitely taken advantage of those as well. And I love how it all comes in a pack. I leave this pack in my bathroom, so when that time of the month comes, it's just here ready to go. And you can tell them what like absorbencies you want. I get like a mixture of regular and super. So Again, you can get like old tampons, old pads. You let them know when you sign up. So this is such a cute box. So the main thing, it seems like, is this customized necklace, which I think is really cute. I don't want to take the wrapping off it right now just because since I'm like literally wearing a K necklace, I don't know if you can tell, because it like kind of blends into my skin, at least in the viewfinder. I might give this to one of you guys. And yeah, I think that is super cute, and I love that it has a heart, so it goes with Galentine's Day theme. That spray, I can still smell it. It smells really good. We got some body lotion and body wash from the Every Girl Project. We have a fruit infusion, moisturizer, masks, a face exfoliator, some candy. So really you get a bunch of stuff to like pamper yourself, to enjoy like eating like nice treats and what you need for your period. So it like kind of makes that time of the month a little better. So I love period subscriptions. I think they're so great, and Boxx has never disappointed me. So again, I will leave all of the information down below. I believe they do have like some Galentine's Day sale going on. I like check their website periodically for all the boxes that I film to make sure I have all the information correct. I looked earlier and it looks like they have a Galentine's Day box. It might, maybe it's even this one, I can't say, but I'll leave the link down below, but I believe it was like priced at $24.99 for a limited time. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm not sure when this video is going up. I'm sure it's a few days early, but happy Galentine's Day. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.